How to play pull-offs. Here's what a pull-off looks like in the tab. You have the first note that you pick, then you have a slur line or tie to the second note that you pick using the fingering hand, and this is a pull-off. It all has a P above it. If you're having difficulty with the pull-offs, or they're just not very strong, practice by just picking the strings with your fingering hand. And you can do this with all the fingers. If you see this in the tablature, where there's 3 notes tied together with a P above, then you pick the first note, then pull off the second and third notes. And this is what you can do with practice. Thank you very much for watching.